Assalamu alaikum everyone. Welcome to my channel Mushaf for you. Today's topic is related all about pen tool. What is pen tool or how we can use it? Pen tool is located in toolbar. Press P. Here you can see these all are types of pen tool. First one is pen tool. Second is freeform tool, curvature pen tool, add anchor point tool, delete anchor point tool, and convert point tool. Right now we will start from freeform tool. At the end or at the last we will talk about pen tool. Basically freeform tool is like lasso tool and short key is L. First I'm gonna give a small intro about lasso tool. Lasso tool is used to make irregular shapes or selections. Here press Ctrl J to copy. Add the layer 1 background layers, or you can center the under layers. So guys, as you can see that I have selected the shape or I have selected this part of an image. So guys, now we are going to use freeform pen tool. Select it, the same, make the selection. Guys, guys, as you can see that there is a lots of black squares or these box. These all are known as anchors, or you can also say node. As when you are selected pen tool or any type of pen tool, just go on any node, right click and select or choose make selection. Click OK. As you guys can see that I have selected this area, or you can say the diamond or whatever this shape is. Press Ctrl J to copy. It is used to Ctrl plus J is used to make duplicate of any selected area or any layer. But guys, I know you can say that why we don't use lasso tool, or why what is need of freeform tool? Freeform tool, as you guys can see that I have set this area. If I want to adjust any point or any node, I just go I just go in toolbar and set direct path selection tool. Set any node. See, I can adjust it according to my choice or our choice. See, press again go and select any node. Press right click, make selection, click OK. Here you guys can see that I have selected this area. After freeform tool, there is curvature pen tool. Set it, and its short key is P. Set it. Now see, if I give one node here, second here, third here, fourth, and fifth. As you guys can see that wherever I am clicking the node or adding node or anchor points, it is making the exit circle. After adding nodes, you can see that it is in the form of circular shape. Go and select any node, press right click on mouse. Select, make selection, click OK. Press Ctrl J. As you guys can see that I have draw, or you can say I have selected the exact circle, not exact like, but you can get the idea. All the radius diameter are the same, not the equal. Remove it. After curvature pen tool, there is add anchor point tool. To use add anchor point tool, we have to make any kind of selection like here, like you guys can see here. Go and select add anchor point. As the name says, if you want to add any node or any anchor point, just select the add anchor point tool and drag your cursor towards the selection and just tap. As you guys can see that I added a node. After adding node, there is two circles. these circles are known as arms. It is used to give curve effect, or you can say it is used to adjust this selection. Like if I want to adjust this side and set the arms here, you guys can see that I am adding and I am adjusting this size, or you can say the selection. Just right click, make selection, click OK, Control J to copy. Here you guys can see that I have shared this area. After add anchor point tool, there is point tool now. There is delete anchor point tool. It is the opposite of add one. Like if I want to delete this node, just tap it. It delete that area or that node. Here we got. Here we did the nodes. After delete anchor point tool, there is convert point tool. To use convert one, you have to make any selection. It doesn't matter what kind of selection you are making. Make it. Select convert point tool. Now after setting point convert, then I just want to say convert. You can say after making selection, just select the convert point tool, set it, and select any node and drag the cursor toward left or right side. The arms will appear. These all lines or these circles are known as arms. You can see it here. I am adjusting the node. Again, you can do this. Sorry for the disturbance. Here, convert point tool is the same. It is used to adjust the points, points or nodes. After the convert point tool, we will learn about pen tool. Short key is P. Make any selection. With the help of pen tool, we can give node or delete any nodes. If you want to move any selection, just use pass selection tool and its short key is A. Drag the selection or drag any node. Just drag it. After pass selection tool, we will use direct selection tool. After pass selection tool, there is direct selection tool. It is used to adjust any particular node like this. See, you can only move that selected node. You can also tap or make any, like for example, if you can't see the nodes, just select the cursor. Select the direct selection tool. Drag it towards left side. Drag it towards, if you think that this part of selection there is any node, drag it towards it, and you can adjust the node. Press Alt. Select pen tool and press Alt. Then if you drag the cursor towards left or right side, as I am holding the Alt option, I am dragging the cursor. I am adjusting it according to my size. My size means according to my choice. And yeah, one more thing. We can also select any curve area like this. I have selected this. First I make the copy of background layer. Then I set it. Then I give the gradient from here. In gradient panel here, you can see that. Like if I want to give this node, this gradient, just drop it. But I prefer this one. I like this one. So guys, I'm gonna review all the tools again. Freeform is used to make any irregular shape, or you can say selection. To make selection, just select any node or your own path. Just go and select make selection. Click OK, and you got the selection. You got your selection. After freeform, there is curvature pen tool. Curvature. Give any node here, like here, and here. It is used to make circular. It is used to make selection in the form of circle. Again, you can say again. You can give me selection. Ready? Click OK. Here you got the selection. I mean, you got your selection. After curvature, there is add anchor point. For that, go and set add anchor. Written. You can adjust the arms or delete. Hidden. Use Curvature Pen Tool and adjust the node. Pen with the help of pen tool, or you can also press Alt to adjust the nodes like this. Select Alt. I am right now. I have selected the Alt option in keyboard. Wait a minute. To set the node, we also have to set it direct selection tool. Set node. Sorry. Pen tool. Set any node. Drag the cursor, and the arms automatically appear. Set the Alt. Here you can see. Here you can see the selection. At the end, I want to say that please like, share my video, and subscribe my channel, and click on bell icon, and make sure it is on all option. Thank you.